Welcome to American Roots. So, we have some exciting news that we want to share. We have made an offer for some land in Kansas. Um, it has been accepted, and we are moving through the process. Now, there's always something to be said when you add lending into the mix. So, that's what we have decided to do is purchase 80 acres. So be praying for us. Um, we are moving forward and we have total peace about it. So this is a really good thing and is everything that we wanted in a piece of property. So I just want to encourage you. This has been a long time. We've been preparing for this for about 3 years now. So to see this come to fruition, it's super exciting. Yesterday I went and deposited the money in the bank, and I'll add a clip to that right here. I just want to be encouraging to anybody who's on this journey or thinking about being on this journey, and maybe you're thinking, I'll never get to that point. It has been a long, diligent struggle to just keep fighting the beast. This is the journey to freedom. Let's get to the bank. I'm one of those people that when all the bank stuff started happening, I didn't want to take a chance with my money, so I withdrew it. When we went to go talk to the bank about financing the land, they asked where our money was, and I said, well, I got to be honest, I didn't have too much faith in the banking system, so I pulled it out. So the banker said, well, I know that it needs to be seasoned and everything, seasoned being in the bank for 30 to 60 days. And I said, so I don't know if that's going to be a problem. And you can kind of tell that the bankers are like wanting to get loans done, because he's like, no, I think that because we're doing it in-house, it shouldn't be a problem. So I'm on my way to the bank to deposit this money. I gotta tell you, I'm a little nervous. I don't know why I feel like I have to explain myself to deposit my own money. So here we go. It's done. I did it. It wasn't as nerve-wracking as I thought. I was a little nervous and very shaky. And I asked, could I please give this to you now so that you have it? I was a little nervous, but we got it all deposited. Everything's ready to go. Just one more step in the direction of freedom. It's a little nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna lie. But it's super exciting, and we have a lot of peace about it, and we're super excited about it. We're just going to take things one step at a time. So we pray you're blessed, and we'll see you soon.